Hi all numerologist friends. Have you ever came across the problem that a client comes to you with certain belief system, he or she is not ready to even understand what exactly you want to say. You want to give your best, but still it's not happening. Have you ever came across the problem that the communication pattern is not being established, the effective communication is not established, you are not able to convince your client of what exactly you want to say? Many times, many people face this problem. And if so, then this video is for you. I am Dr. Vivek Mantri, your clinical hypnotherapist, a certified NLP trainer, and today we are going to learn 5 techniques or 5 tips of how exactly can you convince your client with help of NLP, neuro linguistic programming, a science which can help you to reprint your belief system. So here are the 5 tips. First is rapport building. When we say rapport building, it's all about speaking the language which the client wants to understand, trying to match the tonality of how exactly he or she is speaking. If you are taking a personal consultation, how to match his or her body language so that the communication becomes easier. Then effective communication. How exactly can you speak the language which the client wants? There are ways in NLP which is called, there are certain things like presuppositions, reframing the sentences, and that helps you to see an amazing result. For example, I'll put it for reframing. Suppose if I say, uh, today is a today is amazing weather, but tomorrow it will rain. So now your entire focus is tomorrow it will rain. But क्या आगे का पूरा गया. But now suppose if I say, today is amazing weather, even though tomorrow it will rain. So your entire focus is shifted. So this is called as reframing system. So here, by first is your rapport building, second is your effective communication, then third is your anchoring. Anchoring means using particular keywords, using particular words which you can imprint in the client's mind, so he or she builds that confidence for himself or herself that yes, these things can happen for them, these techniques can work for them, the consultation which you are giving will be effective for him or her. Anchoring is all about creating that belief system by using certain trigger points. This can be through your name number, this can be through your numbers, this can be how exactly you are communicating with your client. Then comes visualization. How exactly can you help your client to visualize the goals and outcomes? And if you are able to use it, trust me, you will win your client's heart and you will see that you are able to give him better results. And then the last comes overcoming the limiting beliefs. If many times you will see that a client comes with certain belief systems based on astrology or numerology from wherever he must have met earlier, that certain numbers are good, certain numbers are bad, or whatever it is. If you are able to help him or her out to overcome this limiting belief, trust me, you will create a miracle in their life. And when the miracle is created in their life, it will automatically reflect in your life in terms of your finances, in terms of your dreams, in terms of your achievements, whatever you want to do. You will see yourself that you are able to set apart from the normal people who are giving the consultation. If you are using these 5 techniques effectively, trust me, your client will start loving you and he will start giving you new cases as the reference. So those who want to learn more about these techniques, those who want to learn more about these 5 secrets of handling the client, join the group below. The link is shared below. You are welcome to take your first step towards your massive success in numerology and take your life at a different level and create your dreams too. Help your clients also to make their dreams too. So I am Vivek Mantri, welcoming you all again to take the first step towards the success. Thank you.